Hey guys, Jeff Preventer here, High Gear Automotive Services in Rochester, New Hampshire. I have a 2014 Chevy Impala here with a 3.6, got towed in, customer complaint, cranking, not starting. Obviously the first thing you do when it gets off the tow truck and you start your diagnostic process is to verify the customer complaint. Car's cranking, it's not starting. Put the scan tool on there. First thing, check for codes. No codes. I was pretty surprised about that. I next started checking some basic things. Fuses, fuel pressure up to the rail, have that. It sounds like it has plenty of compression. I don't think it had a timing chain issue. I don't think it jumped time. Sounds pretty normal. So next thought was check throttle position in case it was in a clear flood mode for some reason. I'm stepping on the pedal. I don't hear any throttle actuator. They make quite a bit of noise. If you get in your car and you have electronic throttle, you turn the key on, you floor it a couple times, you can hear it clicking. It's pretty noisy. This one, I didn't hear anything the first 2-3 hits. Then all of a sudden, I heard it. So I figured, what the heck? Let's try and start it. So I crank it, and it fires. That was pretty interesting. So I shut the car off. Get my scan tool right here. And I'm checking throttle position while I'm stepping on and off the pedal. And the actuator stops making noise, and it is stuck at 99%. Pretty much the accelerator pedal position 100%. So the computer thinks that I'm flooring the car. It's in clear flood mode, so that means there's no fuel going into the engine from the injectors. The interesting thing is, occasionally I saw it actually stop somewhere around 50%. So when you crank the car, the computer sees that you're at 50% throttle. It fires and revs right up to the rev limiter, bounces off of it pretty fast. Thankfully it has a rev limiter, so it doesn't just blow itself up, because it gets there fast and it probably would have kept climbing. The scary thing is, if you're in this car driving down the road and that happens and it's stuck at 50%, you can take your foot off the gas, just like that, foot off the gas, and it will keep going because it thinks you want 50% throttle. That's not a good scenario. Thankfully, that didn't happen while this car was driving down the road, because that would have been probably pretty unfortunate. Somebody would have gotten hurt, and that's no good. So you can see it's at 99%, 100%. My foot's off the gas. I'm going to hit the key, and car won't start. So we'll go a little bit further with that, get that taken care of. But in the meantime, just want to say, if you're in the Rochester, New Hampshire area, or even further, we have quite a few customers that come from out of town. Give us a call, any of your car related issues, and we'll hopefully get you taken care of. Thanks a lot, guys, and we'll catch you later. See ya.